My name is Izbojan. My surname is Grujic. My pet is dog. I like dogs. Her name is Jessica. She has got gold hair. She has got brown eyes. She has got long, sharp nails. She likes dog food and dog biscuits. I bought her when she was young. She is very sweet and nice. I like because we are always together. We walk, run, and we are like best friends.